Yes, the planets of our solar system. Right. Now, Mercury, 3,100 miles in diameter. Yes. Has a mass of 0.056. Earth equals 1. Yep. Equivalent weight of a 150-pound person is 55 pounds. Oh. Average distance from the sun is 36 million miles. Right. And the period of rotation is 59 days. Revolution, 88 days. Yeah. And it doesn't have any moons. Oh. Then there's Venus, 7,700 miles in diameter. Yes. It has a mass of 0.817. Equivalent weight is 130 pounds. Yeah. A little less gravity there. Average distance from the sun is 67.2 million miles. And it rotates every 243 days. Yes. Mm. And revolves 224.7 days. Yep. And doesn't have any moons. No. Then there's Earth. Yes. Its diameter 7,926 miles. Yes. It has a mass of 1. Oh, a 150-pound person weighs 150 pounds on Earth. Yep. Average distance from the sun is 92.9 million miles. Oh. And then the rotation is 23.9 hours. Yeah. The Earth rotates every 24 hours, almost 24 hours. Yes. And it has a revolution around the solar system every 365.3 days. Oh, has one moon. Now, these planets, yes, they use the Earth's mass as one. Yes, Mars is zero point 0.1. If you were to go to Mars, a 150-pound person weighs 55 pounds. Yes. And they're 141.5 million miles from the sun. Yes. Now, the rotation of Mars is 24.6 hours. Yeah. But it takes 687 days to do a revolution around the solar system. And it has two moons. Oh, see, if you were living on Jupiter, a 150-pound man would weigh 380 pounds. Ouch. And let's see here. It rotates every 9.8 hours. I mean, it's really spinning fast out there. Yes. But to revolve around the whole solar system, it takes it 11.9 years. Has 12 moons. Now, my concern, yes, is that some individuals that happen to be in authority, yes, they think that they're the sun, yes, and that the solar system revolves around them. You know, as this parent of the solar system, it's very hot, and at times I get angry, and then you laugh your asses off because there's nothing I can do. Why do we look at the sun this morning for all of those that are so important? Yes, because we could remove the sun from the solar system. You're that important that you think that you're the parent of the solar system. You know, I've been reading about global warming. Yes. You know, I have a technology to freeze the Arctic and melt Antarctica. Pooch. I could change the axis of the fucking world. How important are you today? Do you think you're the parent of the solar system? Now, I'm going to want to look at the sun. Yes. And then I'd like to know, yes, did anybody decide they were going to heat planet Earth up because they think, yes, that they are more important than the parent of the solar system? Now, my thought was, yes, I could put a little desalinator, yeah, on the North Pole. Poop. And I don't know the actual salt content of the ice of the Arctic. Yes. But I know if I steam it at 4,500 degrees, it attracts cold weather. And what happens is there's snow and ice and it freezes the Arctic. Yes. Now, for those of you that think that you're so fucking important right now, why don't we freeze the Arctic? Could you get me the Arctic, the North and South poles? Yes, because somebody's been weather engineering the north half of the Earth right now, while the south half just didn't have enough money for all that weather engineering. Now, I yesterday mentioned a little flooding problem in the United States. Yes. Then I mentioned a few days ago what is known as wildfires and drought conditions on the east and west coast. Yes. And the idiot fucks right now